So today, it's a big day for Mellow. I'm gonna be taking her on a trip to meet the family. It's gonna be a 2-hour trip. I bought this little traveling cage for her. Hopefully it holds. I'm not sure. This could be a bad idea or I don't know. I'm hoping that she'll get used to traveling so then I could, take her with me on a weekend. Because we used to go camping and do some outdoor stuff. So I want to be able to take with her. I want to be able to take her with me when I go along. So I'm trying to get her used to traveling with the noises and, cars, engine noises and all that stuff. So hopefully she'll get used to it. But say hi, Mellow. Hi. Hi. So right now she's pretty calm. She hasn't been aggravated so far. Hopefully, with the roads, hopefully it's not a bumpy ride. There she is, looking pretty comfy. She looks pretty calm. I was worried that she might not like the bumpy rides, but it's not that bad. I put her down there because it's more flat down there as opposed to the passenger seat. But yeah, so far she's pretty calm. Hi, Mellow. Yeah? Enjoying the ride? Yeah. There she is. Everybody loves her, obviously. She's pretty calm. She was out earlier walking around, and she seemed to like it. Oh, you want to come out? They're playing music in the living room, so it's kind of getting too loud there, so I'm just putting her in here in one of the rooms. Hey, Mellow, say hi. I think she wants to come out. So we're on our way back, getting some gas, and here's Mellow. She did really good this weekend. She's a good girl. She's pretty much quiet, and everybody loves her. But yeah, we're on our way back. And she's back. You okay, Mellow? It looks like she's okay. It was a good trip. She was calm and everything, so yeah, I think I'm gonna do this as a regular. We'll see. We'll try again next week, right, Mellow? Next weekend? She looks maybe tired, so I'll just let her be for now. Say bye. Say bye, Mellow.